Hi everyone, this is your Aarti Suri. I am back again. Today I am going to share my happiness with you. I have received a magic box and I am so much excited to open it. But then I thought I should be opening it with all of you, as all of you are my family. And how can I open it without you all? So let me show you. Ta-da! This is my magic box. Let's open it. Let's see what's there inside the box. Oh, let's open it. Let's open it. My God, such a nice packing it has. See? Oh. Wow. Mom has really packed it nicely. Let's use our magic scissors. Open it. Can see this box often packs with lot of safety precaution, so that in this rainy season it should not get wet and it should not spoil the gifts into it. So, oh my God, magic box has another box with inside it. Now I'm going to open it. Gilly move. Oh my God, it has so many gifts inside it. Let's see. See, it has lot many things inside it. Wow. Wow, it has a trophy. Okay, let me keep the box aside and let's open it one by one. Wow, great. Guys, this is my trophy. Wow. As you can see, it has been packed so nicely. Wow. See, this is my trophy. Oh, I've got more gifts as well. I've got the mask as well because it is a corona time, so we all have to be safe. Oh, I got a top as well. Wow, I got jovees product as well. This is jovees hand cleanser gel, sanitizer with a mask, which you need to use it. Oh my God, a jovees fairness and glow mini facial value kit. Another jovees product, hand jovees. Pearl whitening facial value kit as well. Super. Okay. As you all can see, I have lots of things. I have loads of gifts. Ma'am has sent loads of gifts to us. Super duper ready to open it. Can't wait to see what all is there inside it. Another product? Pack of products. My God, so many products. Okay guys, see, these are all Ayurvita. Ayurvita has sent us lot many products. It's like Dermovita tablets, Immutable. See, they are taking care of our immunity. Oh my God, that's my crown. Wow. Guys, can you see this? This is my crown. can't really wait to hold it. Wow, that's so fun. Such a beautiful one. That's so pretty. It's really pretty. Thank you, Iowa. Thank you so much for this glorious crown. See guys, I got lots of chocolates. Lot of toffees. Oh my god, so many. Oh my god, it has my sandal also. Wow. Guys. That's all. And guys, this is another one. See, this magic box has many things. Loads and loads of gifts. A small pack. My god, this is something again. See, everyone, it has my picture also on it. That's so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Iowa, for crowning us with all superb glitters and wonderful gifts and memorable event. Thank you so very much.